forgot my glasses. Oop, there they are. Hi guys, it's me, Ryder here. And today we are unboxing Superchargers. This is my E3 hot streak from the Agent Guy Gamers. And I'm not unboxing this one, ever. And first, I'm going to be unboxing the Night Element. Evil Night.
What's the name of it? Let me see. The Sea Shadow?
Yeah, Sea Shadow.
Here, push your hot streak over some, okay?
Hey, here, guys.
But you still keep it over there. Just push it away some save room, okay?
Okay.
Good.
Touch this harder, like normal. Every series they get harder. That's the thing, you didn't know that.
Oh, I thought it looked easier than Trap Team. Trap Team, those boxes were impossible.
Impossible?
We'll open that pile of Trap Team stuff we have left over next. You tell me what was harder. You just gotta poke a hole in it with these ones.
Activate.
Okay, so this is Sea Shadow. Be your first supercharger that you've held in your hands unboxed. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay. Zoom in on this guy. That is so cool looking.
I tried to unbox the next guy. Oh, the stickers are cool. You were on the sticker. Look at that sticker. That looks cool.
Very cool. Sea Shadow sticker. Wait. I'm gonna see.
Sorry.
Alright, what do you got?
We have
Fiesta.
Fiesta. Unboxing. Yeah. Fix my glasses. That's not a big deal to stop the video. How said game, like tracking game. I believe Trap Team is real. Just kidding. Trap Team is definitely not real. Don't try to
Let
make
me
it happen.
see.
Don't try to make it happen. It's shocking.
That was Fiesta?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Why is the company on close again?
Frightful Fiesta.
I think all Fiesta is Frightful Fiesta.
Because one's the regular one and one's the Halloween version.
Where's the sticker? Sticker. Stick.
It's right there behind you. Next to your leg.
These stickers are awesome looking. They even say their stats. That's
Oh, very cool. Alright, what do you got now?
The next one is. Oh yeah, not this one yet. The Frightful Fiesta. Be afraid of this guy. Got ready. He's not even real. Here's a sticker. Got a sticker. He looks like this in the when he actually is placed down on Portal. So there goes Fiesta.
No, he's cool looking.
And if you think that's cool, look at this. And you think that's cool.
Oh, yeah, the vehicle?
Don't say it.
Oh.
She didn't say the vehicle. She didn't say that.
Okay, now what do you got?
I got Rightful and Fiesta. Rightful Fiesta and Normal Fiesta's car.
Let me see what the name of the car is. It's called the Crypt Crusher.
The sticker down at the bottom. The sticker has to force these stickers out. Now it's time to grab Fiesta's vehicle. Hey look, how cool is this? Look at this. Have to move the vehicle's wheels.
Oh wow, very cool.
I'm gonna see what can move it.
Here, go ahead and put it in front of them.
Nothing can move the jet. The nothing can move.
Put it right in front of them, okay? So I can see it closer. The Fiesta car. The Crypt Crusher.
I guess it has to be.
Put the Crypt Crusher in front of those two, please.
Oh, what?
Thank you.
Oh, where's the
Baby, move the car so I can zoom in on it, please.
Okay, and here's there.
Put it over here closer to me.
Okay. Yeah. Why can't you zoom in on it? Move this up to them.
Wow, this thing's really cool.
Yeah.
Nice
Like a
detail.
rock star.
Like a rock star.
Yeah.
Like a rock car.
Yeah. 7 rock stars to lock car. Get it? Rock star, lock car. Imagine it as was actually made out of dead broken rock. That was
Alright, what else you got?
First I got the all the straps and the single meat file. Is this meat?
Neat enough. We'll throw it all away afterwards.
And now it's time to open random person. Be cool.
No, let me see. Whose vehicle is it?
The name is
Sky Slicer.
the Sky Choicer. Random person's vehicle.
It's here. I'll find out who this person is. This person right here.
Yeah.
Stormblade. Stormblade's vehicle. We might
Wait.
get Stormblade later
Oh
today.
yeah, look at the night helmet. This is the night helmet.
Okay.
Sky.
Yeah, we really want that one. Huh?
And
Nightfall.
and for the guy it rides.
Okay, stay on track, baby. Let's keep opening them.
This.
Yep, we're gonna open that.
That,
Spitfire.
that's that guy.
That's in your starter pack. Okay.
Yeah.
Here, scoot back over there.
There's even a dark helmet in there. There's even going to be a dark vehicle of what we have too in there. We forget about the dark. There's going to be dark vehicle.
Didn't forget.
Ooh.
Pretty cool. I like this car better. But that's cool.
Yeah, me too. You like it better? Me too.
I like the sea shadow better too.
But the one I like the best
Yep.
is the E3.
Oh yeah. You want some Asian guy gamer?
Especially because of the delivered by the Asian. They were now the hardest box often has come down, comes down all to the.
Okay, let me see. Stand it up. Let me look at everything. Stand it up.
Okay.
All the way. Okay, so this one has dark Spitfire.
Yep. Is it?
Dark Spitfire. It has the dark Hot Streak. It has the Chaos Trophy. And Donkey Kong.
And
Amiibo / Skylander. And Donkey Kong's vehicle. All dark edition. Very cool. You gonna rip the box open like that?
Maybe try to at least. After we try to, right?
Yep.
Think I got it or not? Maybe I couldn't be
Is there tape on it?
Let me
cut the
see
tape.
any tape possibility. Don't see tape here. But do I see a tape here?
Yeah, here, let me cut that tape. I'm gonna pause it for a second.
No, I can do it. I can do it. It's the dark portal. And this is dun, dun, dun.
That's the portal. That's the poster.
This is the poster. And this is
Here, let me see the portal.
Battle Street.
Battlecast.
And the game right there is now time to pull these all out. We always zoomed on these, right?
Portal looks so cool.
We always zoomed on all these, right?
No, I sure didn't.
Mommy,
Here, hand me the game and the poster.
there's a game in poster.
Thank you.
And here.
Thank you.
Oops, that was loud. What's the basket?
Huh?
What's the basket?
Bad noise?
Well, I made some noise, a lot of noise, right?
Yep, making a racket, huh?
Yeah. Did I make a racket today?
I think we don't really talk like that anymore.
Okay.
I don't think that word's used like that anymore.
Yeah.
Don't break it. Got a Spitfire. Oh, how funny. It's rolling away.
Turned around and still moved the right direction. How awesome is that?
Don't break that. This is the dirt hot street.
Got loose. Just need to get it out of here. Go. Didn't break it, but
Oh
it
my
made a
goodness.
big laugh.
But there's other guys over here too. Okay.
Here's the DK.
What's
And
DK for?
DK for Donkey Kong, and here's the main DK. The main guy has set. That was easy. If I was gonna make a big racket, but it made no racket at all. I took it out. Right?
Right.
Hey, I think on iPad there's a code for it. There's gonna be code for it on my iPad.
I don't think so, but I'm not sure. Oh, for the Battlecast, those cards.
Yeah, there's stickers, there's codes still, right? On this.
There's a new game called Battlecast, and you use those cards in this little silver pack here for the game. Very cool. The fire looks awesome, huh?
Yeah. The stickers are, by far, I think it's the coolest thing by far, right?
Coolest stickers yet, huh?
Yeah. I've been tracking every single one are the same, but apparently these actually show the stats they have.
I think that's because they don't have cards.
Sorry. Sorry, why?
Huh?
I said sorry, why?
Okay, good.
Don't put Donkey Kong there. Look at how trophy deserves.
I'm trying to zoom in on him, baby. He's hard to see because his face is so much lighter than the rest of them. Can you come back up there so I can go zoom in on him, please?
Why is he so lighter?
Because his face is so much darker than the rest of them.
Why is he dark? Oh yeah, I forgot. Forgot. Sorry.
Okay, baby, stop.
Hey, look, I think it's showing us the dark of every character. It's dark you can possibly get in every series on this too. In fire you can you know, it doesn't show on Skylanders. See this?
Just rip.
No. I hope it didn't.
Alright, this is the best I can get.
Tiny lips, is there were any lips?
He's hard to zoom in on. Alright, so this is all the ones that you got today. And the Dark Starter Pack.
Look, it's showing you the dark one. So we see two dark sets. Look, it's showing us two. It seems like you can get a
Yep.
dark.
What's the other dark starter pack? With Stealth Elf? We
Yeah.
didn't get her, huh?
Yeah.
No, we didn't get her. It's okay. She comes in one of the other packs that we got. She's not here yet. Alright. Wanna go play?
Yeah, I want to hang the dark one up.
What do you say?
Peace out.
So, we're gonna go play.
I want to hang the dark one up.